Hello students, today we are going to discuss on a new topic, chromosome. You are familiar with this word with chromosome. Already we have studied in 11th science in the chapter cell division. During cell division or during the one of the phase of cell division, that is metaphase, chromosome will be appeared. They can be visible during metaphase only. Then what are chromosome? Let us see. Chromosome, these are the colored part or colored part of cell which is present in nucleus. The term was coined by a scientist Waldier in 1888. These are appeared or these can be visible during cell division only. In all the types of eukaryotic organisms, it is well organized and having definite size, definite number, shape. In the packaging of DNA or in the chemical nature of chromosome, you may observe in case of chemical nature, the chromosomes are chemically composed of DNA, some histone proteins and some non-histone proteins. If we coil the DNA, if DNA gets much coiled, they form a structure which is called as nucleosome. How the nucleosome looks alike? Nucleosome looks like beads on string like structure. Then these nucleosome get organized or they get highly coiled in the form of chromatin material, and these chromatin material get condensed to form the chromosome. Then on the basis of number of chromosomes, chromosomes may be haploid or in diploid condition. First of all, we may see the diploid number. Diploid means there is two sets of chromosome found in organism, means they are in double set. Then second is haploid number, means in gametic chromosome the number gets half, means chromosomes are found in a single set of chromosomes. Then there is a next term which is known as homologous chromosome. Homo means same and logos means condition. The homologous chromosome means the chromosomes which are morphologically and genetically identical. Morphologically and genetically identical, those chromosomes are known as homologous chromosomes. Chromosomes are of two types, or all the chromosomes are divided into two types, or they are classified into two types. In case of first type of classification, they are classified on the basis of their function, and in case of second category, they are classified on the basis of their structure. In case of first type, the chromosomes are of two types. First one autosome and second are sex chromosome. Then what are autosomes? The chromosome that control the body characters or other than the sex characters. Then they are called as autosomes. Means the chromosomes without the which involved in the development of body characters. And the second type is sex chromosomes, which are involved in the determination of sex or which determines the particular male or female nature of an organism. These sex chromosomes are also known as gonosomes, or they are also known as allosomes. Then we get concentrate on the structure of chromosome. In case of structure of chromosome, chromosome is made up of chromatids. If we observe as a X-like structure or a cross-like structure is there, in which V-shape and a inverted V-shape structure is there. Altogether it is called as chromatids. These chromatids of a single chromosome, they are known as sister chromatids. And if there are two chromosomes which lie nearby each other, then two chromatids are known as non-sister chromatids. Both the chromatids, they are joined together by a centromere. Centromere in next diagram or the near diagram, it is also known as primary constriction, or in bracket it is known as centromere. Then there is a second constriction is also there, which is known as secondary constriction, or it is also known as nuclear organization. Means in case of structure of chromosome, first type is chromatids. Then these chromatids are held together by centromere, which is also known as primary constriction. Then there is a secondary constriction, which is known as nuclear organizer. Beyond the nuclear organization, there is a oval shaped structure which is known as satellite body. Then both the chromatids, they are filled with, or each arm of chromatid, they gets filled with highly coiled double stranded DNA, which is known as chromonemata. What is meant by chromonemata? Highly coiled DNA or highly coiled double stranded DNA which is filled in both the chromatids of a centromere. Then the ground substance is called as matrix, and the tip of chromosome is known as telomere. Once again, I would like to repeat the labels of a diagram. In case of first diagram, both the arms of a chromosome held together by a centromere, then they are known as chromonemata, which is filled with DNA. Then a ground substance called as matrix. Then the next diagram, from upper side, the upper level